A FANUC R1000IA robot uses IR Vision 2D to locate a randomly placed toolbox in a part bin. The ArcMate 100 IC robots proceed to simulate welding using coordinated motion software. Prior to welding the part, the ArcMate 100 IC robots run through the IR Vision tip inspection to verify the condition of the welding tips. The box is loaded onto a 2-axis welding positioner where two FANUC ArcMate 100 IC robots use IR Vision to locate welding paths. The 2-axis positioner allows the part to tilt while welding. This helps maintain an optimum torch angle. The 2-axis positioner also rotates to reposition the part to the opposite side. The R1000IA robot transfers the welded box from the positioner to a material removal station to simulate finish grinding using force sensing.